In this video, I show you how to fix Messenger not showing profile picture problem. For fixing this problem, go to Play Store, search Messenger, click on Messenger. Up to date your Messenger app if available in update version. Now search 111 VPN, click on it. Now install it. Then go to settings. Then go to apps. Then go to see all apps. Now search for Messenger. Click on Messenger. Click on force stop. Click on OK. Now click on storage and cache. Clear cache. Now open 11 VPN app. Next, accept install VPN profile. OK. Not now. Then click on connect. Wait for connect. Now open Messenger app. Now click on your profile icon. Now I hope that this method fix Messenger profile picture not showing problem. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe.